Play Pibaro, Ipinang Sabha IP, Sakit Kami, Baki Kubor, Baman Kasi.
Haka jilla jongi layo ban Rakhe burom yak Republic Day da ka penher yak lama lai rong jong kari haman la baro ki district ki civil subdivision but haman la ki jaka bat nakaliang kilat pathai kubor kilayo ban sakhi yak away na kishnong kabalayo ban penher ka lama kari India kata kadai ke Khasi LP Kongthong bat hakate ke Sngi ladon lang uraki sinha ubalong UMP ka Rajya Sabha bat kumjo ru uba tita Starwell Khan ubalong ru MDC jong kashnong usordar shnong Kongthong ka Kong Patricia Mukhim ladon lang ru ki he sarkar jong ka jilla bat kumjo ru ki blasha khot sngoba hakate ka Rakhe Republic Day ka banyo fu arsnem jong kari India hakate ka Sngi layo banbo yo maunong rim jong ki pankhana pajba bat lasami ka jing ai sngoba yaki nong shong shnong hakate ka Sngi Rakhe burom yak Republic Day layo ka jing Kren na MP ka Rajya Sabha urake sinha ubalaya tho baulaya Kren bat ukonrat sangma Chief Minister ka jilla bat ulakarpat banyarap lem yakashnong Kongthong bat nakaliang jo ukonrat ulakular banyarap shiklur yakashnong Kongthong bat ulaya Kren ru yo Health Minister ba AL Hek ban shimkhia ni ban pinbit pinbyang yaki dawai dashin ha Kongthong dispensary bat kumjo ru ban phalem yaki doktor ki nurse baki day ban wan man ka Sngi ni hakashisien shitayo AA hakate ka shnong laong urake sinha MP
kepada hapok karai lari hakasnong kajong ni. Bat ngai kajong kublai ya MP badan buram ibala banwan hakane kasni kublai
Constitution jongari India. Badai lembaga ni Constitution belala ban penyiat berhenti ya khas sunsyar ke kada Haka India bat haka jelai barok kawai ilong kinong syosnong kibahang ihap ban buat berhenti katkum ke Constitution jongari India Dena takadaw bagi Rakhe yang kini kesni manusnam kung kesni ke bakarpang jong ke jingyo ke jungi ya kani kari kisan siya ang beri patpa kani kesni nalor bagi Rakhe yang kani kesni kung kata ke Republik Day ngisong turu bana kalyang jong kaseng Khasi Inong yalam jong school ilafat kerupang yau MP badan burong bandan lang hakani kasni baban per snow au ya gijingdam kam kibakum kathan kasnong dari kaseng gadam kam balas no turu banagalyang jong MP Umsur lawan terli yang ini kesong kejongi, lawan ru banra yang hijing erap, lembang kajing sebun mesin kejongi, ban ayah yang ini kesong kejongi. I must extend my sincere thanks to you, sir, for render your service and extend this development work here in Kongthong. I feel embarrassed to inform you that our own MP, we have got 2 MP, they have never visited this area since the time they are MP. Even during the election, they never come to meet our own people for their votes. But still, people are voting for them. At the same time, I heard the speech of Barotel has asked you so many things. Has told you about the road condition of this area, has told you about the water position here, drinking water, about the education, about the roadway, so many things. But I would like to inform you, sir, that Kongthong village, personally, I take as one of the model village of this area. Compared to other villages in this area, Kongthong has developed more. If we take from the literary rate, literacy rate, Kongthong village is more than other villages in this area. We have got so many people here who are big people. So many contractors also from this village. We have big contractors. More educated person, they are from this village. I think you are right to choose Kongthong as one of your model village to adopt it.
You all belong to one family, the family of Kongthong. Before coming to Khasi, one more thing I am telling you. On 9th January, I wrote letter to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, respected Konar Sangmaji, that you should give at least 1 crore rupees for the development of Kongthong village. He wrote back to me, and yesterday when I met, I discussed almost half an hour on Kongthong. He discussed his officials and sanctioned 1 crore rupees for the Kongthong's development. With the advice of Praveenji, I met Health Minister A.L. Hek Sahab. I had lunch with him and I requested, there is no dispensary in Kongthong. No doctor is available. The resources are not meant for New Delhi and Ceylon. On the resources of India, every individual has equal rights. If any individual is deprived from the rights, then we lack democracy. Democracy would be fulfilled the day when one of you will become the member of parliament without any resource, without any campaigning material, without any TV screen, you will become the member of parliament. That day I will consider the democracy is a substantive democracy, otherwise democracy is a structured democracy, instrumental democracy. We have to bring substantive democracy that each and every individual should feel that he has not born only to vote. He has right to become the member of parliament. He has right to become the member of legislative assembly. Another thing, what is important, Mr. Hek agreed to have a dispensary here, weekly visit of a doctor, and later on when your demand will go, after considering the parameters of the government, there will be permanent dispensary and permanent doctor in Kongthong. Now Kongthong is not old Kongthong. There will be race and rush to come Kongthong. Everybody would come because it is now not only in the map of India, it is on the map of world. Entire world comes to know there is a Kongthong whistling village, an important heritage of the humanity. This is a whistling village. Its parallel is in Turkey, Costco. That is a part of intangible cultural heritage of UNESCO. Why not Kongthong can be? I requested Chief Minister Sahab, Mr. Sangma, He directed his officials to just approach the UNESCO. I also requested the Culture Minister of India to approach UNESCO. It should become the part of intangible cultural heritage of world. And I think by the end of this year, you will be in the list of UNESCO. Don't worry, entire world community will look for you. We will have a new Kongthong, and that Kongthong will guide the entire Meghalaya. It will be a symbol of identity of Meghalaya in the forthcoming days. Now, this is the first time I am speaking in Khasi. So it may be that I would speak something which had contrary meaning which I wanted to speak. So don't worry, apology for. Henmin bar para bar ki, Henana Snew, Kamin Bandon, bar fi, Hangne ha Kongthong. बारों का पाथे का टीप यहाँ भी उनका सिनों का वास्यो या ना केनाम बुरुम या वो तिरोत सिंह हाकिन स्नी रिपब्लिक ओम प्राइम मिनिस्टर ओम कहा ला बारों की सिनों की थाओ बाकी लोग किवा खोइब किवा सुआ बाढ़ की वह यंग हालांकि जोंग की कीजत हाका जिंगाई बाढ़ का यो कोट ना स्नोग चले दे कुमू कुम जोंग किन कहने का स्नोग कोंगथोंग you are enjoying नरा ये खा Yanga ha Bihar Badla, Kare Pansa Yang ha Delhi Yang Snow Yalde, Kumu, Rice Nong, Joka Kongthong. Neala Australia, Lijo Bad, Na, Persang Banlo, Le, Kitwala Ban and Kyo, La Kaneka Snow. In slavery India, Khuli Sibum. Now I am revealing two more things. I am from BJP, but this speech was prepared by Khasi Sahab from NPA. When I was coming to Kongthong, I called Pala Sahab. And he told any help from me. I said, your wishes I will convey to the people. So we are all one. Khasi belongs to NPA, Vincent Pala belongs to Congress, I belong to BJP. So for the development matter, I don't discriminate. No discrimination on the basis of religion. No discrimination on the basis of caste. No discrimination on the basis of language. No discrimination on the basis of political party. You have right to belong to any religion, any custom, any tradition. You have right to belong to any political party. But our ultimate objective is to improve our life, improve our city, improve our villages. So I have two objectives. De-urbanization of the mind. De-urbanization of our dreams. When we urbanize in terms of this urban area, we lose our custom, we lose our tradition, we lose our value system. So first challenge before India belongs to the villages, not the urban areas. You go to urban, they are the jungle of concrete. You come to the Kongthong village, it is a forest, natural forest, beauty of God. And second thing which we have to do, we have to become self-reliant. Why New Delhi will decide your development? We are equal sharers in resources of New Delhi, policy and programs of New Delhi, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the one Prime Minister who is connected with the common masses. So we have next phase of development. These are just symbolic. Next phase of development in Kongthong would be sustainable development, creating employment. Why not there is a Kongthong honey? Or what you call the brand name of the honey is a Kongthong honey. So we will have new factories, small factories. Many people do in cooperative system, and cleanliness is another objective. So Kongthong would be the cleanest village in Asia by next year. We have to take vow. We have to watch that Kongthong will become the cleanest village in India, most developed village in India, most literate village in India, and a model village of India. And another mystery I am revealing. I came Kongthong, I raised the issue, and I get connected with that. Who decided that I should adopt. See, none other than Patricia Booking. On 14th August 2020, she told me that why don't you?
Ginawan naman siyang STEM, banpulaw niya program ko bahe ang ni hagapapat ang spawot ni padang magwa si spawot ni kumta di kena school ng Martin Luther Christian University kelawan bansa ahli ni penyedan ng kal amagi paiba banyak silok jaga bahata met karoy kapar kamtam hakawede batakam ban kentiu jaga juga kai perti kabangong katolisme ba bante ang sing umnong uparo ulang tinggi jong gani gathai ubala persang ban sakri ban nos yang yang paiba jong gathai ka snong ngatarai nak dega pi bidang kenmau hau aja khat nhiều apolai trik jong ublai ni iba bante ila wanra yo governor jong ga mekhaya uban borela prohit hagare snong nagamta ban ai ga jingirak jaga solar street light but hag juga por naga leng jong governor lengba ka memorandum kabangi ka snong jong ga thai ngel phai u ban kerpa kan tunyo ya kasrok ka babha lalu majrong seduk Kongthong bat sarus der ban nadu moran dia sesok kenduk teter ngasnungu asno boromba lengba ka intestong ka jong pi lemba ka jibut den ka jong ikin alam jaga thai pinik barok ulong bat ka deru ka jing kesan barata jong nomik bat hagro pol bat titos kain kumu emri hagsnem bralino kani kadai sabor jong ikong ipaita nong song snong jong gani ka thai mendap hi kasurok untuk mojrong ter untuk Kongthong bat dunai kabagi dan semua sanut kalau jadi ni snong baran serempat dah gunung perkat nak kita tiru pinjo ya ka hok kaba kasoka India hapo ke jiram ke pastat do prime minister baran brom jongi Narendra Modi prime minister basempang ubaya ijingai bar ba ai tilut narunta dari udesha ukundap sendang jong ka India sa jongi hagale ko na so pan ai ka brom ka prao prime minister baran brom ka jongi ngai budaya gina mepat MLA wala da semela banwan ngila khot yo nei takada bin pun kam tip semela ban poi kamper ni bu